Hello, today I'm going to show you how to solve the 5 by 5 Rubik's Cube. So, the first step is to make the white center. To do that, we're going to make a bar right here. Then, finish the bar. Three here. Then we're going to make the side bars. This step you have to do it intuitively. Then make the last bar. And make the white center. Now we're going to make the yellow center. So we make the center bar. We put the edge of it, blocks the white center. So we will move it out of the way and restore it. Remember, when you broke a center, you must restore it. There's one more edge here. We broke it. We move out of the side and restore it. Now we're going to make the sides bars. Pretty easy. We put it up, then we put it on the other side and move it down. And we make another bar. Now this is the tricky part. If we put it up, it breaks the white center and there's no way to restore it. So if you restore it, it will just move back. So you will put these two on the same side and put it up, put it on the other side and put it down, and you have made two centers. Now when you make the side centers, I'm going to start with red, make the middle bar, and make the side bar. Like this. And make the last one. Remember, if you break this, remember to restore it. And like this. We have to fix this and move it in. Now we'll make the blue center. So we're going to attach this edge center to it breaks the red center, so we move away to another layer and restore it. Now we're going to do the side bar. So I already have two here. We can connect them like this and just do it like that. Put up, it breaks the red center, so move it to the other side and move it back. And now we'll make this. I'm going to just finish the last bar. So when you make two centers, it's time for the third center. So we make the side center. It breaks two center, so you move it out of the way and restore it like that. And we're gonna make a side bar like this. We break it, so we move it in, so it's like that. Now here comes the tricky part. It's maybe a little bit hard to get the last one. You can start with this, a situation like this, and I'm going to show you a trick to fix this. So you want this to go to here, put it on the same place. It's the bottom left corner, and here's also the bottom left corner. You bring it down, you bring to another leg, and you also bring it down and bring it back bring it up and up like that. And you also do it with the edges. Bring it down, move it to another layer, and bring also down, then bring it back, move it up, move it back again, and just do that. So you have to be already solved 6 centers. Now we're going to move to the edges. So the first step is to hold it like this. Actually hold it on any side, you can do it. So move 2 layers here on this direction and move 2 layers here. Now we're going to focus on this edge, the random edge on the top. This is the white yellow edge and another white yellow edge. Here, and so on. So you can understand it like this. When we move it back, and if we have another white and orange edge here, it would be better. And when we move this part, if there's another white orange here, it will be paired. So to do that, we must find a white and orange center and put it there. Here. Put this here so that when we move it back, it's there. So we put it in. Then we find the we want this to be here. So the orange will be here. We put it in. Like that. Now we just go for our seconds and we will repeat it. And repeat that for all of the edges. So I will do one example. The white and the yellow and red center. Find the middle center. The top edge, the middle edge, and the bottom edge. Find the edge. Find it. Oh, here. So we want this to be clear because when we move back, we want this to be cleared up. Move this up. Make sure that you do it so it's good, because you can check this is right. And if I knew that this when I do that it will be wrong. So remember, do not put it equal. This here. So now we want this to be there. We want this is negative. We want this to be there. We want this to be there, so we will put it down. You can set it right now. Then we will set it can do it. Oh, it's already in. So remember, when you solve an edge, move it up or just move it down. You don't want to have an edge when you do it, because you will break it and you will still receive it. Oh, I have this thing here. And I also have this here. So you can also do this. When we have the two edge that is already paired. The orange blue. Oh, it's here, but it's flip it up. And now it's here. So there's a way to get this out, is to just do this. Move it on the other side, move it out, and just move it in. Do you want this to go here? So you will do this and restore the center. And we've made another edge. Now we have this, so we can do this. And remember, when you do that, always replace with bad edges, unsolved edges. There's another here. Replace with a bad edge. Restore the centers. Now we'll do it here. Here. Where's here? Move it up. So that when you put it here. So when you do 8 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you will can't do that step before you go, because if you do that, it's like a problem. So now you're going to do this. Find 2 edges, red, yellow, and red, yellow, and just pair it so it doesn't match, so it's wrong, so it must be upside down. Here at the bottom, it pairs. Replace it with an unsolved edge. I'll find it well. Here, we just put it here. And I'll find another red and yellow here inside, so that it's matched. And just roll it like this. Remember, always replace it with an unsolved edge. And now when you go off edge, you will have 2 last edge. So it might actually this have more edges. So this here. Replace with unsolved edge. Here, and do this. Now you will have 2 last edges. Now you want them to do on the same side. This is flip, don't matter. It doesn't matter. Put it so it's on the same side. Now you go to put it here and just put this one to here like this. Put back, and now there's a 50% chance of you having all the edges soft, but there's another 50% that you have parity, a flip parity. And now you will have to remember an algorithm to solve this. So put in front of you this algorithm. And that's solve the edges. Now when you have all the edges solved, you can just solve like a 3 by 3. So make a white cross. Just do 3 by 3 stuff. Just 3 by 3 stuff. If you know how to solve it, the 3 by 3, you should be able to know how to solve this. And you should now be able to solve the 5 by 5 Rubik's Cube. Yay! If you like my video and channel, you should like and subscribe. Bye bye!